So you're tired of the false promises about making money online. You've seen dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, and maybe you've even tried them, only to realize it's not nearly as easy as the gurus make it sound. Meanwhile, you're getting hammered with videos of passive income hacks and easy money. But let's be real, that's not how business works. This video is here to save you time, money, and frustration. And don't worry, I'm not here to sell you anything. My name's Chidester. I started in my parents' spare bedroom, no money, no followers, no investors, and since then, I've scaled elite CEOs past $115 million in sales. I built a portfolio of companies, started ventures in tech, private equity, and hedge funds, and even interviewed billionaires. But I failed plenty of times before that. Fitness programs, random hustles, funnels that went nowhere. What I learned is simple. You don't need the fanciest idea or a big audience. You just need to pick the right path and get started the right way. Almost every business model you see online works, but most of them take too long, they take too much money, or they trap you on a treadmill. The goal isn't to find a hack, it's to find the vehicle that gives you real cash flow in the first 30 days so you can reinvest and scale. That takes me into what I would call the winners versus strugglers. So you have drop shipping and Amazon FBA. The CAC, or cost of acquisition, is $50 to $150. Order value is $20 to $50, so you lose money fast. Then you have affiliate marketing. Cheap to start, but you need a big audience or at least money to run ads with. Then you have low ticket courses. The CAC is $100 to $300, but you charge $27 to $97 a month. So the payback takes 6 months plus, and that's even if they don't cancel before then. Then you have coaching, consulting, digital offers. The cost of acquisition is $200 to $500 when offers are $1,000 to $3,000. So you make back 3 to 10x in less than 30 days. Even as you raise pricing, it usually stays under 25% cost of acquisition, which should be the goal of any business trying to scale. For example, if I charge $10,000, it will usually still cost less than $2,500 max, or less than 25% cost of acquisition. This last one is where I made my first millions and where I've seen thousands of my clients succeed. Here's the part most people miss. You don't need a big following to make money online. All you need is your phone. You shoot simple content, no big production, no crazy editing, and post it everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Pair that with some basic paid ads and you can get clients without being famous. And by the way, if you want to automate all your DMs, leads, and follow-ups while you focus on delivering, try elite360.io. There's a free 14-day trial in the description so you can test it risk-free. Now, if you're completely new and you don't even know what content to post, start with something you're good at or problem you've solved in your own life. Almost every business falls into one of 3 buckets because this is literally all people care about. Health. So examples are fitness, nutrition, mental health. Wealth. Examples are business, marketing, freelancing, money skills. Relationships. Examples are dating, family, communication, parenting. If you've solved a problem in any of those areas, you'll already have something valuable to share. Content doesn't need to be complicated. Some of the best videos are literally shot on a phone in 30 seconds. Here are 3 examples of high converting content. So number 1 could be myth versus fact. An example could be, you don't need a huge audience to make money online. Here's why. Most people who are serious buyers are not your average social media scroller. They aren't looking to be entertained, they're looking to be educated. So you may not get many views, but if you get the right views, that will make all the difference to your bottom line. Number 2 example could be big mistakes. An example would be the number 1 reason most people fail to start a business in 2025. Number 3 could be quick wins. An example would be, here's the exact script I used to close my first client at $1,500. And here's a simple lead generation example. Comment guide down below and I'll send you my free step-by-step on how to launch your first digital offer. You'll see me say this in videos or posts on IG that have this exact instruction. The benefit is that it pulls leads straight from your videos. Now keep in mind, the smartest businesses aren't chasing cheap leads. They're raising what each client is worth. That means raising prices, adding upsells or advanced packages, offering repeat services, building retention through community and accountability. And a perfect example of this is my client Kyle, who did a 5-day challenge where he sold a $2,000 application that would day trade for his customers. Immediately after, he would also offer financial planning services since he was a professional CPA. That would cost around $15,000 per client and would raise the LTV per client from $2,000 all the way up to around $10,000. Just by adding in a simple upsell, he exploded his business's profit. Now, I want to talk about the 30-day cash flow rule. My personal rule is get your money back back within 30 days. If you spend $500 on ads and make $1,500 in sales, you're up. That's how you stay alive and scale. New business owners can't afford to lose money up front. You have to ROI immediately. And once you're making your first few sales with organic content or ads, that's where tools like Elite360.io that help you really scale, save time, and avoid the headache of juggling 10 applications. And look, I'm not here to pitch you a course. We already post free videos on this page that break down step-by-step how to package and sell digital products, run ads that actually work, automate with simple tools. All of it's free. And the link is down in the description below, and you just have to scroll and start learning. Inside, you'll get free calls with my team, a strong community of people helping each other, wins from clients who are already making money, and step-by-step guidance so you don't waste time. There's no gimmicks, there's no selling. It's just the truth and a place to start. The link's in the description. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe.